Welcome to Tran Talks, the official podcast series of Tran Law Corporation. Join us as we explore thoroughly with our legal experts the complexities of legal matters and innovation in Vietnam. Hi, I'm Lucia Pham, and joining me here today is Stephen Le, lead counsel at Tran Law Corporation. How are you, Stephen?
Hi, Lucia. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you. So we're here to discuss the legality behind cryptocurrency in Vietnam. So the first basic question is cryptocurrency legal in Vietnam?
The answer is yes. But in the point of view that the Vietnamese law and the Vietnamese government consider cryptocurrency is a kind of access. It's not a kind of money.
Oh, I see. So is there any regulations governing the use and trading then of cryptocurrency in Vietnam?
Up to now, there is no regulation on the trading of cryptocurrency. So the authority just pay on the current regulation on the trading the access because they treat the cryptocurrency as an access. So in the case of any dispute and other things, they may apply the regulation as the normal access or the movable access to regulate the transaction over the crypto. But the cryptocurrency is not considered a lawful money in Vietnam.
So if that's the case, then which government agencies are responsible when it comes to moving assets like cryptocurrency then?
I think the key authority is the State Bank of Vietnam because they manage and they control, they regulate the exchange price among the currency with the VND. But up to now, because there is no regulation on the cryptocurrency, and they still consider cryptocurrency as access, so it's also very difficult for the people doing anything relevant to the cryptocurrency in Vietnam. I understand that in reality, there are many crypto business in Vietnam because Vietnam is the base for the IT software production. Vietnamese has the IT human resources at the international level, and also the salary is low. So many international company, cryptocurrency company, they come to Vietnam, establish the software company, IT production, other thing, to do the business over the cryptocurrency. But the government be silent on it. And in scale of any dispute, there is no legal route to protect.
I see. So would you say there's any restrictions on cryptocurrency exchanges operating in Vietnam?
As I suggest, I discussed with you, there's no regulation up to now. So if you do the transaction internationally and you can get the money silently and nobody care about it, it means that nobody care about it.
Oh, I see.
As long as you want to declare it to the authority. Because the authority, they have no idea and they have no regulation on the cryptocurrency. For example, if I have 10 bitcoins and I sell 10 bitcoin to you and I receive the money, so you just transfer the money to my bank account.
You don't need to declare taxes on it.
Yes. You if you keep silent, tax authority have no idea about it. But if you want to declare the tax, okay, the tax authority will consider to receive the tax from you because they will consider that you selling the 10 bitcoins as the selling some access. And you have the income and you need to declare the personal income tax and something like that.
I see.
Yeah.
So if that's the case, if what's the tax implications for using or trading or investing in cryptocurrency in Vietnam then? So you get taxed like a regular asset, like how much would that percentage be?
The percentage is it depend on because that the cryptocurrency is most of the cryptocurrency are under the personal ownership of a person. So if there is a tax applied on the cryptocurrency trading or something like that, it's the personal income tax. And the personal income tax now, there is a range of the personal income tax depend on the how high income you have. But for commonly, the normal one-time transaction is 10%. But I have yet seen any person have the income from the crypto and they will declare themselves to the tax authority to pay the tax. I know the tax authority know all about the transaction. It's just about that there is no legal route for the tax authority to touch the person who have the income from the cryptocurrency. And the tax authority, they have yet had enough the human resources to chase out the income. So I think that they still put the person who have the income from the cryptocurrency trading in a waiting list.
Oh, I see.
They will reach them later in the future when they have enough IT system, IT tool, and they have enough information about the person who having the cryptocurrency trading, and they will invite them to come to work and for the tax declaration purpose.
I see.
The tax authority, they are silent because of they are preparing something. They are silent not because of they don't know anything about it. They may know, but they have yet been ready for collecting the tax from the person who have the cryptocurrency trading. Yeah.
I see. So you mentioned there's no like actual legal framework for cryptocurrency right now.
Yeah.
So when do you think that's gonna happen? Like, is there gonna be like an actual? When do you think or anticipate an actual legal framework that is around cryptocurrency here?
The National Assembly of Vietnam is still considering, because if they recognize the cryptocurrency, it means that they recognize another type of money along the way with the VND. And if they do so, it means that the value of the VND will be lost. So if the VND will be lost, it means that they cannot control the price of the market, and the normal life of the people will seriously impact. So that's the reason why I think that the Vietnamese government or the National Assembly have yet formally recognized the value of the cryptocurrency as the money. They may consider it a kind of access under civil transaction or the commercial transaction only.
So it'll be more considered as like a security rather than like an actual like currency.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your insights regarding cryptocurrency, Stephen.
Thanks, Lucia.
Thank you for listening to Tran Talks. Please note that views shared are only for informational purposes and do not constitute legal advice. Remember to subscribe for more insightful episodes and look forward to connecting with you in our next discussion.